Hey there, Binance users! Welcome to our comprehensive guide on linking PayPal with Binance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process seamless and straightforward. Looking to link PayPal to Binance for an easy crypto buying experience? I've got you covered. All right, let's dive in and get you set up in no time. First, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up and complete the verification process. This ensures your account is secure and ready for transactions. On the home page, head over to the Buy Crypto tab. This is where you'll find various options for purchasing cryptocurrency. Now, select P2P trading. This peer-to-peer trading platform allows you to buy crypto directly from other users. Here, you'll choose your preferred fiat currency. Binance supports a wide range of currencies, so pick the one that suits you best. This will be the currency you use to buy crypto. Next up, let's set up PayPal. This is a crucial step to ensure smooth transactions. Under the Payment Methods section, you'll see various options. These include bank transfers, credit cards, and of course, PayPal. Go ahead and select PayPal. You'll need to log into your PayPal account to link it with Binance. Make sure your PayPal account is verified to avoid any issues. It's as simple as that. Once linked, you can use PayPal to fund your crypto purchases. Now for the exciting part, purchasing your cryptocurrency. This is where you get to choose from a variety of digital assets available on Binance. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Binance offers a wide range of options, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. Enter the amount you want to purchase and hit Buy. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct. You'll be prompted to complete the payment using PayPal. This step is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to authorize the transaction. Just follow the on-screen instructions to securely finish your purchase. PayPal's secure payment system ensures your transaction is safe. And there you have it. You've successfully linked PayPal to Binance and made your first crypto purchase. It's a quick and easy process that opens up a world of trading opportunities. You've successfully linked PayPal to Binance and made your first crypto purchase. Now you can enjoy the convenience of using PayPal for all your future transactions on Binance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Binance tips and tricks.